Alright, so here we're going to show you what comes with your 371LM compatible remote. When you get a 2-pack, it will look like this. It comes in a Ziploc bag. You open them up. Each remote is going to have your clip for your visor, like you see there, and also your instruction sheet how to program. This remote is basically compatible with any Sears, Craftsman, Liftmaster, Chamberlain, Raynor garage door openers that come with the purple button as the programming button located in the back of your garage door opener. That's pretty much it for the remotes. Basically, clip goes behind here. You press it in there, kind of push it. The first time it's a little hard just because everything's new, but that's it. This is how you pretty much have it, and then you can kind of just put it on your visor clip. I mean, not your visor clip, but your visor, like so. That's pretty much it. Buttons there. When you press the learn button in the back of the garage door opener, again, purple button. You'll press it, little LED light will come on your garage door opener. Then you kind of press the button on this remote about 2 seconds or so. That will activate or learn your remote to your garage opener. Once that's done, you press it again. That will activate your garage opener and actually work the second time around. That's pretty much it for the remotes. They're pretty much identical to the original ones. So yeah, that's your 371LM garage door opener compatible remote that will work with any Liftmaster, Chamberlain, Sears, Craftsman, and Raynor garage door openers with the purple button. Thank you.